Setting up your Respiro270 chamber. Thank you for choosing the Respiro270 for your wellness journey. In this quick and easy installation guide, we'll show you how to set up your Respiro chamber so that you can start to enjoy the benefits of hyperbaric sessions comfortably in the location of your choice. When you receive your system, there will be 3 boxes. One containing the bolsters, another with the mattress, straight frames, and the round frames, the third holding the main chamber, accessories, and compressor. First, start by opening up your boxes and identifying the contents. Opening your boxes, the bolster box. Start by removing the 2 bolster sets from the box. Notice that each of the 2 lateral bolsters are folded into 2 half pieces and partially inserted into their respective covers. Remove them from the box and set them aside for now. The Mattress and Frames box. Next, open the mattress and frames box. Carefully take out the mattress, the straight frames, and the round frames and set them aside. Compressor, chamber, and accessories box. Open the chamber box. When you open the box, there will be a compressor box, an accessories box, and the chamber bladder inside its carry bag. Next, take out the chamber. Set it aside for now. Open the accessories box. Inside, you will find the muffler in its pouch and the printed chamber manual, the secondary filter in its pouch, the mattress sheet in its pouch, and the air hose. Set it aside for now. Finally, open the compressor box. Inside, you will find the compressor and the power cord. Take it out of the box and set that aside for now. Assembling the bolsters. Retrieve 1 bolster at a time and align the 2 halves so that they form one long piece. Tuck it into its respective cover. Then, begin to pull the cover over the bolster, securing it into place with the Velcro closure strip along the edge of the cover. Pay special attention that the Velcro is smooth and flat. First, assemble 1 bolster, then the next. Next, lay them flat and pull straight the straps that are attached to one of the bolsters. The Velcro side should face up. Grab the other assembled bolster and find the Velcro patches underneath. Secure the ends of the Velcro straps onto the matching patches on the other bolster so as to leave enough space in between to cradle the chamber. Once it is assembled, it should look like this, with the curved side up, the Velcro straps holding the bolsters in place and ready to place the chamber. Next, grab the chamber carry bag. Unzip it and take out the folded chamber. Unroll the chamber, opening and unfolding it completely. Continue to unfold and flatten as much as possible. Turn it right side up with the zipper and opening facing up. Compressor setup next. Screw the secondary filter into the brass T-fitting coming off the head of the compressor. Tighten the filter until it is hand-tight and sitting in a vertical position. Find the power cord and plug it into an appropriate outlet directly. Be aware of other devices also using this outlet to avoid overload. You will be placing the chamber into the assembled bolster cradle. Grab one end of the chamber and then the other end opposite side. Lift up and just walk it over. Then make the adjustments so that it fits into the bolster cradle. Once that is completed, take the air supply hose. Note that both ends have the same quick connect connectors. One end goes to the compressor connector, and the other goes to the chamber connector at the head of the chamber. Simply push and snap on until you hear a click. Unoccupied test inflation. Now begin to zip up the chamber. The interior zipper first. Use the nylon zipper pull that is between the gray gasket to zip it all the way to the end of the zipper track. Pay careful attention at the end to make sure it is fully closed. Use your index finger to push it all the way as needed. Next, begin closing the top zipper. Tuck the gray gasket flaps flat between the bottom and top zippers. Tucking and zipping. Use the metal zipper pull to make sure it is closed all the way to the end. Pressurization. Close the inflation-deflation valve by turning it clockwise. Pay careful attention to not over-tighten. Turn on the compressor. Watch the chamber inflate. This should take a few minutes. The chamber will reach pressure when the overflow valves begin to release air, and as shown on the pressure gauge. Depressurization. Now begin to depressurize. Turn the inflation-deflation valve counterclockwise to begin releasing air. Check to see that the chamber is sufficiently deflated by pressing on it and by checking the pressure gauge. Once the chamber is depressurized, you may begin opening the outside zipper. Then, reach between the gasket and open the second zipper using the nylon zipper pull. Open both zippers all the way to avoid zipper damage. Installing the frame structure. Start with the head round frame, with the up head sticker side up. With assistance or alone, insert the frame sideways into the open zipper area. Pay careful attention to the opening and the sides of the chamber. It will take some maneuvering. Once past the zippers, pivot the frame, with the head up end toward the head of the chamber, with the top window. Pay careful attention that the frame clears the valves. From a seated position, begin to push and wiggle the head frame into position. Use your feet and arms to continue to push them into place. Again, mind the pressure gauge. Foot round frame. Next, take the foot round frame, with the up foot sticker side up. Again, place it sideways into the chamber opening, clearing the zippers. Once past the zippers, pivot the frame. The sticker side should be up and facing the end of the chamber. Use your feet and arms to finish pushing it toward the end of the chamber. Lateral, straight frames. Next, take your modular straights and place them into the chamber with you. From inside, these pieces will be attached to the head and foot pieces. Lay the curved pieces, one on each side, to begin the process. Loosen the tightening screws on the frames just enough to allow them to be secured into place. Make sure that each piece is pushed fully into the connector and tighten the screws. After they are connected to the two round frames, check that they are securely tightened with the screws to hold them in place. To insert the mattress, fold it in half with the top layer facing in. Place the folded mattress into the zipper opening of the chamber. Next, twist the mattress so that one end goes in the direction of the head, the other toward the foot. Then, push one end of the mattress into the chamber towards the head, and the other end into the foot. Smooth it out and flatten to adjust. Muffler in the accessory box. The muffler pieces were provided. Go into the chamber, and at the head of the chamber, you will see a port to connect the muffler. Gently tighten the muffler into place. Pay careful attention to not over-tighten. Your chamber is now ready for use. Do familiarize yourself with its operation prior to the entry of any occupant. Practice the zipper closure and opening process. Make sure both zippers are fully closed when pressurizing and fully open after depressurizing. Remember to turn on your compressor first, and then close the pressure valve to begin inflation of the chamber prior to occupant entry and use. Your pressure gauge will let you know when you've reached pressure. We hope that you enjoy your chamber and its ease of use.